You're finally relaxing after a long day, and then bam! Is that hose just done? You're not alone. A broken hose is a surprisingly common issue for Dyson V11 owners. And the good news is, you don't need to replace the whole unit. This flexible hose, essential for your vacuum's maneuverability and suction, is unfortunately prone to cracking, tearing, or becoming detached over time. It can get pinched, pulled, or just wear out from regular use. When the hose fails, your V11 will struggle to pick up even the smallest dust bunnies. Ignoring this can lead to reduced cleaning performance, your V11 getting stuck in awkward places and possibly causing internal damage. Let's be honest, a malfunctioning robot vacuum is never good for your stress levels. But the truth is, this isn't a time to experiment with DIY fixes. You need a solution, not another accident waiting to happen. So, don't let a broken hose escalate into a worst-case scenario. At RoboCare, we're pros at handling all vacuum problems. We don't just patch things up, we offer a complete, durable solution. We've seen it all, and we know exactly what to do. With our expert service center in Kota, Damansara, or our convenient courier service nationwide, we'll get your Dyson back in tip-top shape. Now, look at that! With a new hose from RoboCare, your Dyson V11 performs like new. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I'm beyond happy with RoboCare's service. We really saved the day. They took the stress out of the whole situation, and their expertise was clear. They were efficient, friendly, and the repair was top-notch.
Contact us today and let our experts handle your vacuum problem. Don't wait until it's too late.